What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dude's Tech. If you're looking to upgrade your home gym, you've come to the right place. Today, we are reviewing the top 5 best adjustable weight bench options on the market to help you find the perfect fit for your workouts. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the AzureHaven Adjustable Weight Bench. The AzureHaven Adjustable Weight Bench is a versatile and sturdy piece of equipment that supports a full range of strength training exercises at home. This weight bench from AzureHaven is built with high-quality materials that provide both comfort and durability for long-term use. The 1.4-inch thick backrest and seat are crafted from high-density foam, composite board, and PU leather, delivering soft yet supportive cushioning that feels comfortable during extended workouts. The ergonomically contoured fixed elbow pad fits perfectly along shoulder-arm curves, providing stable upper body support to reduce compensatory strain. It is designed for full-body workouts with an integrated leg training module that boosts leg drive efficiency and enables independent leg flexion and extension exercises. The module works seamlessly with standard weight plates for customizable resistance to match your fitness goals. The thick leg pad adds extra comfort during these movements. Heavy-duty and stable, the bench is constructed with commercial-grade thick steel and reinforced tubes that support up to 660 pounds. This provides excellent stability and security for strength training, weightlifting, and intense home gym workouts. The comfort padding features soft foam cushions with textured, breathable leather that is water-resistant, non-slip, and sweat-proof. This ensures superior comfort for daily use and easy maintenance. The space-saving home gym bench has a compact and foldable design that tucks away effortlessly in tight spots like corners. It takes up minimal floor space without compromising on versatility for all your strength training needs. Overall, the AzureHaven Adjustable Weight Bench combines high-quality cushioning, ergonomic support, full-body workout capabilities, heavy-duty stability, comfortable padding, and a space-saving design into one reliable and practical piece of home fitness equipment. It is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build strength and stay consistent with their training at home. Coming in at number 4, we have the Xchief Adjustable Weight Bench. The Xchief Adjustable Weight Bench is a sturdy and versatile piece of equipment that supports serious strength training at home. This heavy-duty workout bench features a premium commercial-grade thickened steel frame that provides a genuine 1,000 pounds weight capacity, giving you a rock-solid foundation for intense lifting sessions and long-term durability. The fully adjustable design includes 9 fast adjustable backrest positions, 5 preacher pad positions, 3 pastor pad angles, and 3 foot positions. This versatility allows you to target specific muscle groups and customize your workout according to your fitness level, making it easy to perform a wide variety of exercises from bench presses to preacher curls. The comfortable and ergonomic design is wrapped in premium waterproof PU leather and filled with dense foam padding. The high-density foam helps reduce muscle fatigue during exercise, allowing you to stay comfortable throughout your workout sessions. The versatile attachments include leg developers and a preacher pad. The leg bar 2-in-1 feature works with both Olympic and regular dumbbells, adding even more options for effective full-body workouts. Assembly is straightforward with most of the bench pre-assembled and clear instructions provided, so you can get started quickly. When not in use, it folds down to a compact size of 36 inches by 12.6 inches by 25.2 inches for easy storage, making it ideal for those with limited space. The expanded dimensions are 52.8 inches in length, 25.2 inches in width, and 35 to 40.6 inches in height. The Xchief Adjustable Weight Bench combines strength, adjustability, and convenience into one reliable piece of home gym equipment. Its solid construction, multiple positions, and thoughtful design help you achieve your fitness goals safely and effectively while saving space. At number 3, the Nicepeople Adjustable Weight Bench. The Nicepeople Adjustable Weight Bench is a versatile and sturdy piece of equipment that supports a full range of strength training exercises at home. This weight bench from Nicepeople is designed for both beginners and experienced users, offering multiple angles and comfortable support for effective workouts. It features 8 adjustable angles that help you better isolate chest, shoulders, arms, abs, and upper body muscles from different training positions. The fast adjust groove allows quick transitions between exercises, making your sessions smoother and more focused. The longer 29.3-inch backrest provides complete head, neck, and upper back support for about 90% of users, improving comfort and stability during various movements. With a 660-pound capacity, the bench is built with superior alloy steel and a reinforced triangular support structure. It is tested through 8,000-plus durability cycles and includes adjustable non-slip foot caps to reduce wobbling on different floor surfaces, ensuring safer and more confident workouts. The durable and comfortable padding is made with non-slip, breathable, wear-resistant, and easy-to-clean leather material. High-density cushioning and a textured surface provide lasting comfort and better support during strength training while resisting sweat buildup and daily wear. The one-step fold design allows you to quickly fold the bench by removing 2 pins for compact storage under beds, sofas, or in apartment corners. The folded size is 30.7 inches by 16.3 inches by 9.25 inches, making it ideal for home gyms and small rooms. Setup is simple and quick, with easy-to-understand user manual and clear installation video provided, so you can build your own gym in just 3 minutes. Overall, the Nicepeople Adjustable Weight Bench combines 8 adjustable angles, strong 660-pound capacity, comfortable long backrest, durable padding, one-step fold design, and easy setup into one reliable and practical piece of home fitness equipment. It is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build strength and stay consistent with their training at home. In the second spot, we have the Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench. The Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench is a sturdy and versatile piece of equipment that supports serious strength training at home. This heavy-duty workout bench features an ASTM-certified 827 pounds capacity, providing a rock-solid foundation for intense lifting sessions and long-term durability. It comfortably supports users up to 330 pounds while maintaining excellent stability during heavy dumbbell presses, loaded hip thrusts, and barbell work. Assembly is incredibly simple with the open box, insert 2 pins, and start lifting design. Most of the bench comes 98% pre-assembled, so you can be ready to train within seconds of opening the box. The optional leg pad adds even more exercise variety whenever you want to use it. The bench offers 84 adjustable positions with 7 back, 4 seat, and 3 leg adjustments, allowing you to target specific muscle groups and switch angles quickly with ladder lock. This versatility supports a wide range of exercises including incline dumbbell flies, decline crunches, upright shoulder presses, Bulgarian split squats, and seated curls, so you can train efficiently without losing momentum between sets. The 13-inch wide seat and 28-inch extended backrest provide excellent support for your spine and hips through every rep, reducing slipping and lower back exposure. The dense foam padding with premium PU leather holds up well over time, offering consistent comfort during long training sessions. When not in use, the bench folds in seconds to a compact size of 31.5 inches by 12.6 inches by 13 inches, making it easy to store under a bed, behind a sofa, or in a closet. The built-in transport handle allows one person to move it anywhere, and at 23.1 pounds, it is light enough to relocate while remaining sturdy enough for your hardest sets. The Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench combines strength, adjustability, and convenience into one reliable piece of home gym equipment. Its solid construction, multiple positions, and thoughtful design help you achieve your fitness goals safely and effectively while saving space. The low return rate and 4.6-star rating reflect its quality and value, backed by a 24-month warranty and responsive support. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kingkang Adjustable Weight Bench. The Kingkang Adjustable Weight Bench is a sturdy and versatile piece of equipment that supports a full range of strength training exercises at home. This weight bench from Kingkang is made of high-hardness commercial, high-quality steel with a unique frame and thick support tube, making it sturdy and durable. It can bear up to 1,050 pounds, effectively prolonging its service life. The workout bench is designed with 8 angle backrest cushion positions and 3 angle settings, allowing you to complete the adjustment in 1 second. You can switch to the right position at will during exercise, effectively improving the effect and time of whole-body training and increasing the muscle-shaping results. The Rebound Comfortable Soft Cushion features soft leather and high-density recycled sponge filling that provides strong rebound and does not deform with long use. This helps reduce fatigue of the lumbar muscles during exercise, thereby extending your training time and making the exercise effect more obvious. The foldable dumbbell bench can easily stand in the corner of the wall, fit in the closet, or go under the bed. It does not occupy space, is convenient to access, and is suitable for small living areas. This full-body workout bench optimizes your routine with its adjustable design. It is perfect for targeting chest, shoulders, back, abs, and legs, supporting essential exercises like bench press, dips, push-ups, tricep work, dumbbell rows, and sit-ups. Overall, the Kingkang Adjustable Weight Bench combines strong and durable construction, multiple adjustable angles, comfortable rebound cushioning, space-saving foldable design, and full-body workout versatility into one practical and reliable piece of home fitness equipment. It is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build strength and stay consistent with their training at home. Ready to take your home workouts to the next level? Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite bench today. Please be sure to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more awesome gear reviews and recommendations.